Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into how you can get your hands on Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC or Mac. Now, I know what you're thinking. Adobe Lightroom is expensive, but don't worry, there's a way to try it out without spending a dime. We're going to walk through the steps to get your free trial set up so you can start editing your photos like a pro. Click the link in the description below to take you directly to the Adobe Creative Cloud sign up page. From there, you can sign up for a free trial with no hidden fees or surprises. Go to the Adobe website and click the Try Lightroom button. Enter your email address and create a password. Click on the Create Account button. Once your account is created, you will be redirected to the Lightroom download page. Click on the Download Lightroom button. Before you start the download, make sure your PC or Mac meets the system requirements for Adobe Lightroom. Once you're ready, click on the Download Lightroom button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Lightroom. This will involve agreeing to the terms and conditions, choosing a location for the installation, and waiting for the process to complete. Once Lightroom is installed, launch the program. Sign in with your Adobe account. You will now have free access to the full version of Lightroom for 14 days. That's it. You've now downloaded Adobe Lightroom for free on your PC or Mac. This is an exciting opportunity to explore the power of this photo editing software. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Your support means a lot to me, and I'm always here to answer any questions you might have. So if you have any, please leave a comment below.